siguro every finals game naman, we should want it more. I mean, especially in the defensive end, kailangan mas maging matibay kami sa depensa. And we need to toughen up even sa mga offensive rebounding and stuff. But then, I believe that there were certain parts of the game na maayos naman ang tinatakbo namin. But then, just need to be consistent about whatever we're doing on both ends.
The floor is open for questions.
Coach, alam ko na the career high 34 points po. Siguro what say na rin po yung sa group na rin po sa player na rin. Lalo na nandito na po ulit kayo sa finals.
Sorry pa.
Alarcon po had a career high po of 34 points sa game 1. Siguro, what does this say din po yung sa drive niya na gusto na mag-champion din po along with the other guys din po?
Yung 34 points na I think naman, of course, kailangan team yun. But then, hindi naman po pwede si Harold lang, to be able to, like, win itong finals na to, it should take a team to be able to, like, overcome whatever we're facing in terms of offense.
Coach, what are you reminding the players now, especially na 0-3 against Lasal and must-win game na heading into game 2?
We just have to play better than this, for one. Pangalawa, just try to find out kung lapses na meron kami. And this is not the first time na natalo kami. So, just reminding ourselves na, we started the season ng 0-2 nga. I believe yung team namin knows how to bounce back from mga ganitong situation. And we just lost a battle. The war is not over yet, so we still have 2 games left. We're still positive about it.
Coach, medyo unfamiliar situation this time around. Noong past season sa finals, parang kayo nauna sa game 1, ngayon naman natalo kayo sa game 1. But still, despite that, gano'n ka lang ka-confident sa team na, ayun nga, yung bounce back effort nila and resilience nila, mapakita talaga nila come game 2.
Yun naman yung team namin na parte na rin to nung hinaharap namin challenge ngayon. And so far confident naman ako, and I really trust the team na they would bounce back from this, learn from this definitely. So we're still positive.
Coach, you talked about a team effort for today, dapat hindi lang si Hado. Come game 2, may specific players ka ba that you want to personally see step up, or is it more of like yung team call lang talaga siya na dapat lahat tumulong in every aspect of the game?
Yeah, just to clear it out, yung whatever Harold did for us naman for this game, kailangan natin yun. It's just that, kumbaga, as a team, kailangan may mag-contribute din, hindi lang siya. So, I guess, as a team, being able to adjust lang to anong ginagawa nila sa amin, so I think that will be part of the adjustment.
Coach, apart from Alarcon and Lorucan, the other seniors din po scored the single digits po in game 1. Is it more of defense po na Lasal, shooting night, just game 1?
That I have to see after this game, kasi hindi ko rin mabuti. But then, I'm sure naman about isa sa kanila is giving their best for this final series. So, kung ano man ang dapat nilang adjustan dyan, makikita nila. And importante naman sa amin every game, na lahat ng pupunta sa game, trying to be ready na kung ano mang harapin namin, lahat kami lalaban. So, adjustment will come siguro sa second game.
Thank you, Coach.
Let's go.
Salamat din.